Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Dhanokar. Today we will discuss about the joint family vs nuclear family. So guys, joint family vs nuclear family are the two different family structure. So each with a distinct characteristic and the dynamics. So the joint family are the family that consists of multiple comparison generation living together in a one room, so usually including the grandparents, parents, children, and sometimes uncle, aunts, and cousins. All are living in a one room. So it is a collective family unit where everyone share the responsibilities and the resources from each other. In case of nuclear family, the nuclear family consists of parents and their children living together as a single household. So this family structure are typically does not include extended family member, or it is a small structure consists 2 to 3 member or a maximum 4 members in a one family. So this is called as a nuclear family. So the size contain joint family consists the larger in a size because it include extended family members. So for example, grandfather, uncle, aunts, cousin, all of this. And the nuclear family are the smaller in a size, consisting of only one parents and their children in a house. So now we see the guys the living arrangement of a nuclear family vs a joint family. So in a joint family there is a most of the members live together and in a shared household. So any resources like finance, chores, and the decision making are often shared among the family. Versus the nuclear family, the parents and the children live independently and the household is generally self-contained. So this is the arrangement of the nuclear family whereas the nuclear we are joint family. So the cultural context of the nuclear family and the joint family. In the joint family, common in many parts of Asia, especially in India, there is a joint family are occur in a large scale. So where it is seen as a traditional family structure, and it emphasizes the interdependence, collective decisions making, and the shared the responsibilities from each other in a family. But in the nuclear family, more prevalent in a western countries like a US, Europe, etc. But it is also increasingly common in a urban areas worldwide where individualism and the personal pace are prioritized. So role and responsibilities in the nuclear family versus the joint family. In joint family, responsibilities are shared. Older family members like grandparents help to making a care of the children, and the help take care of the children, and the siblings or the cousins often support each other. Decision making is a collective, and there is a often senses or shared a special responsibility from each other. Versus in a nuclear family, the parents have a primary responsibility of the children, and the decision typically rests with the parents. So financial responsibility is typically on the parents are depend on totally, and there is a less shared help for the extended family member. So the now we see the advantages and the disadvantages of a nuclear family versus the joint family. So the advantages of the joint family are consist there is a making of emotional support from each other in a larger group. In the joint family, share the responsibilities and make it easier to handle the any financial burden or any children care or any condition by making a group. Then elderly care is shared the responsibility, reducing the burden or individual family member, etc. Strong senses of a communication between each other. These are the advantages of a joint family. The main advantages of a nuclear family is a more privacy and the personal space are opted in the nuclear family. So the most of the people prefer the nuclear family, but a greater independence and the autonomy in a decision making are also available in the nuclear family. More focus and the efficient pertaining or parenting, as a both parent are involved in the upbringing of their children. Then a favor conflict in the nuclear family are also occur favor conflict since the fewer peoples are involved in the family decision. Due to this, nuclear family are the choose by now a people. Now we see the disadvantages occurring in the joint family. So conflict can rise due to the different opinions of a different person, because the joint family consists the number of people and they have a different opinion, especially in matter of financial or the personal decision. So this is the one of the most important disadvantage of a joint family. Second one is the limited privacy due to large number of people in the household. In a joint family there is a limited privacy occur. Then generalization gap might cause the misunderstanding between the younger and the older generation. This is the most important disadvantage. Then disadvantages of a nuclear family: limited emotions are and the practical support from extended family member. This is the disadvantages of nuclear family. Greater pressure on the parents to manage the work, home and the child rearing independently. And in a times of crisis, example illness, the lack of extended family support can be a challenge. And the most disadvantage of a nuclear family is a lack of the grandma and the grandfather are absent in the nuclear family. So the this impact on the children is mostly: in a joint family, children grow up in an environment with a more role model. For example, grandfather, grandparents, uncle, aunts, and may develop close relationship with extended family. And they often learn the value of a cooperation, then sharing, and the caring of other. But in the nuclear family, children typically have more focus on the attention from other parents, and the family unit may be more cohesive, and there is a greater personal space and individual development for the children. But in the modern trends, the joint family structure are less common in the urban areas due to factors like economic migration, then changing social media's value, and the desire for the more personal space and the privacy. And in the nuclear family more prevalent in a modern society, especially in urban areas, then where the parents often prefer to live independently with their children, etc. So the joint family and the nuclear families have their own advantages and the disadvantages. So these are all about the joint family versus nuclear family. Thank you.